How to install Snapchat Pixel on Shopify. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Open up a browser and search for your shopify.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. So Shopify offers you a partner integration with the Snap Pixel, which means that all you have to navigate is the section of Add Apps that will be under Apps in your left-hand side list. It will redirect you to its very own app store. In the search bar, all you have to do is search for Snapchat Pixel and give it a search. Shopify App Store will suggest you some of the options for the Snapchat Pixel. So all you have to do is navigate to the option of SnapApps-Snapchat Pixel Manager. Now all you have to do is tap on the install button. It might take a while to install this Snap Apps into your Shopify. Once installed, it will be automatically added with your website. So how can you use a Snap Pixel? You can use a Snap Pixel to navigate and analyze the data of your campaign or your advertisement. You can change it according to the audience behavior. That will help you to optimize targeting. You'll be able to boost your ROI, that is return on investment. And that is all that Snap Pixel will help you to offer and increase your business platforms. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.